I better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find you all. My love and all is all that tears apart.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Arabella here. They went ahead and sent me their 6x5 HD glueless curly Jerry curly unit in 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. And girl, the length is lengthing, okay? Because for it to be like a curly texture and have this length for 24 looking like 22 is really good. Usually it'll be up here like crazy. They do not cut your length, so once you throw the hair in the back, it's definitely going past your bra strap, which is definitely around 24 inches. And for some Jerry curly hair, that is very good. In today's video, I pretty much showed you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install. You literally do not need any type of anything for this wig to be glueless. You could have just had it on your head top and walk out through the door, but I did have an adjustable strap in, which allows it to be glueless and a little bit more snug and not able to come off, as well as I used an adhesive spray and the Arabella band that comes with the wig for it to be, you know, like nicely melted and all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see how I did that with less than 15 minutes to spare, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you all. My love and all is all that tears apart. Love is all that tears apart.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Who I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down to fist with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ice we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they acting boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide on me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck won't be a hit. I ain't gotta do so much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Keep the fuck like you don't let nigga fuck with your mind. I ain't getting an apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Mama's coming around the corner, and now I'm feeling like I don't even know ya. Never leaving California, now more than ever, life is all what you make. Had a vision of a perfect night, but every day I've been going through the motions. I wasn't built for a simple life, I see this thing you do. Feeling right, feeling right, feeling right, feeling right, it's the life. Feeling free, feeling free, feeling right, it's the life, feeling right. Up in the wind, just to see to the ocean. How did we don't even know. Facing us at the door, so I can't get better than this.
Closing the curtain on the pool's like a banner. Running around and get a room with the lights so high. Got faded and I flew to Miami. I think I lost my visa. Never been the type that wanna be right, I wanna live life. Some say I'm psycho, but this shit hit going psycho. Tell all my rivals, say that drama for your mama. Smoking guns for my partner. Seen the bad one in the lobby, had to stop. She wants sex so good it make a tear fall. Prancing around in that leotard. We do not around, I go through withdrawals without draws, don't matter at all. I take it all shit.
Lately I've been feeling restless. I try my best just to ignore all the nonsense. If only I can manifest it. My mama told me life is yours for the taking. We've been working way too hard, gotta live a little more. Gotta put my family on, how did you mean no more job? Oh, it's been a real good ride. Guess I didn't put the shit since by those two. Feeling right, feeling right, feeling right, feeling right, it's the life. Feeling free, feeling free, feeling right.
All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This gorgeous unit is from Arabella hair. They always come through with the good curly hair, good vibes, like super full. At first it'll look like, oh yeah, this is not too much, or it's not doing enough, and then you're just like, oh okay, yeah, I'm eating my words. Because when the units come, they don't come looking super dense unless you like, you know, break them apart and pull and pull and pull, and then it just gets bigger and it keeps getting bigger, and the length still remains the same. So that is something I love about Arabella hair. Their hair always eats, and this is actually their Jerry curly unit in 24 inches, and it is their 6x5 HD lace closure unit. So we are getting a bang for a buck. It is 100% glueless, and you literally do not have to worry about any type of laying down, melt, nothing. All you have to do is spray that adhesive spray, tie your wig down with the Arabella band, and you will literally be good to go. So thank you so much to Arabella hair for always coming through with the gorgeous curly units. And in regards to shedding, this wig brush already had some hair in it, but let's just see. So this is the amount of shedding I got, which is literally next to nothing. And once you are, you know, properly detangling, you shouldn't get that much shedding regardless. So that's that on shedding. Tangling, you will not experience that because this hair is really nice and soft. And if I was to go ahead and just rake my fingers through the hair. As you can see, all it does is just get fluffier. It definitely does not do that tangling stuff, and it gets fuller. As you can see, this side is pretty much a bit more fuller than this side. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and don't forget to shop Arabella Hair because they sell not just curly units, girl. They have so much more on there. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.